In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the sort function in Google Sheets. So let's suppose you have a Sheets document with states and you would like to sort the states by name, so from A to Z, or you can also sort it in descending order from Z to A. What you can also do is sort dates. I'm also going to show you that later on. So there's a function for that in Google Sheets and it's called sort. Alright, let's get started. In order to start with a function, you use the equal sign and then you write sort in capitals. You open up the brackets and now the first parameter is the range. So we're gonna choose the range here. I'm gonna mark all the data here that we want to sort without the title. So it's B2 to B101. Then we set a comma and then it asks for the sort column. Since there's only one column, I set 1. If there would be like 3 columns and the one I want to sort it by would be the second one, I would write 2. But here I write 1 and then I set a comma again. And then it asks me whether it's ascending or not ascending. So here I can enter true or false or 0 or 1. I'm going to write true because I want to have it in ascending order. So I write true and then I close the brackets and now I hit enter. As you can see now, it's sorted from A to Z and I have a nice sorted list of all the states in the US. Alright, let's move on to the second example when you have multiple columns. Here I have first, last name, date of birth and age. And now let's say I want to sort by the date of birth. Let's get started with this one. So again, I write equal sign, then I open up, I write first again I write equal sign, then I write sort, I open up the brackets, now I define the range, let me select all of it here, okay, long list until there, then I set a comma and now it's asking me for the sort column and we said we want to sort by the date of birth, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 in the index, so the index column is 4. Then I set the comma and now it's asking me in ascending order or not. Let's say we want to have the youngest person first, so we would need the latest date of birth, so I set false. We want to have it in descending order and I just close the brackets and we hit enter. So as you can see, it starts from age 18 and goes up, and the first date of birth, the latest, is 2004. That also worked like a charm. So we can have a look at one more example. I'm going to write sort again. The range is going to be the same one as before. I'm just going to quickly select it. A2 to E101. Right, I set the comma and then it asks me for the sort column. Let's say we want to have column K now, and let's say we set now 1, and I'm going to show you that that is working as well. So setting 1. And now we need to set the sort column. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take the 5th one now, the age. And now let's set 1 for the ascending order. I'm going to show you how that is working as well. So as you can see now, I set 1. So it is in ascending order, and that is true with the 1. I could have set 0 and then it would have been the other way around. Alright, so but what do you do if you have data that is horizontal? Can you also sort in a horizontal order? Yes, you can. For this, you will need to use the transpose function. You first need to transpose the data, so it's not horizontally but vertically. Then you need to sort it, and then you need to transpose it again, so it's again horizontally. So let's do this case together. We have here products and prices, and we would like to have the products in ascending order in a nice list starting from A to Z. So I'm going to start here and I write transpose. I open up the brackets and now we need to use the sort function and then open up the brackets, and now we need to transpose again And now let us select what we need to transpose. It's all of this, so the titles, the product names, and the price. All right, then we close the brackets and we set the comma, and now we need the other parameters for the sorting function. So the sorting column should be 1. We want to sort it by the names, all right? And then I set another comma, and the question is, should it be ascending or not? Yes, we want to have it in ascending order, so I just write true. And then I need to close the brackets twice, and now let's hit enter and see what happens. All right, it's starting from A, then B and C, and so on. So we transposed the list, and then we sorted it, and then we transposed it again, and now it's still in horizontal order, and we could also sort this vertical. So we could also sort it horizontally. Right, this is how to use the sort function in Google Sheets. If you want to get better at Google Sheets, please subscribe to this channel. If you want to get better at Google Sheets, please If you want to get better at Google Sheets, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Bye bye.